Welcome back, guys, to another day of Christine's Jamaican Living. Today, I'm here with Miss Kimberly with her 2-week-old flat iron silk press, still looking good. And we're going to do a wrap before she goes to her bed. But before we do, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more wonderful videos available. You know what to do by now. Go ahead and tap that bell. Subscribe. And for all who has already subscribed, welcome, 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 welcome one and all. So this is 2 weeks old. Still looking good. So she just needs to get it wrapped to go to bed. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil onto the ends and we're gonna wrap her up for bed. Oh, I'm almost out of my anti-frizz oil. Frizz serum, I should say. No relaxer. This is just a silk press. What I usually do, if I have somebody with such long hair, I part from ear to ear. A little bit easier. And I would have those long bobby pins, but guess what? I do not have any at home. So we're gonna make do with what we have. And I'm not gonna put any more heat to our hair. Some oil sheen. So I'm gonna be using these little bobby pins right here to hold the hair in place. Kimberly, go ahead and hold for me, please. Get your little paddle brush and you want to swoop or sweep the hair. What's the right word? Sweep or swoop? Whatever it is. So the hair is long. You want it to stay in place while you go. Kimberly, you're so tall up on this chair. Stick another pin right here. Nothing big and fancy. Stick one here. Put a little bit more sheen. Really quick, easy, very simple. If you want to stick more pins, you can. Yeah. That's it. She's ready for bed. Guys, you see how quick and easy this wrap for bed was? You don't even have to worry about having the correct bobby pins, because I normally use the really long ones when I'm in the salon, but we're at home and I don't have any at home, so I just use a regular bobby pin and bam bam. Nothing hard about it. That's it. I know a lot of times people may ask me, you know, or people may say, oh, I don't know how to wrap my hair. It is so simple. It's nothing crazy about wrapping the hair. That's it. And if it's long, you just have to just part it down the middle, comb it out, sweep it around. That's it. Use your pins to help you to hold the hair in place. So this is a dry wrap. And of course, Miss Kimberly wants her do-rag on so she could sleep and still have her wrap looking good. When she gets up in the morning, she just combs it down and her hair just falls right in place. I want to cover your eyes. Let me know if it's too tight. It's not too tight, right? Okay. And she's gonna put her little bonnet on. Yes, my child. Look. Lord Kimberly, you're ready for bed now. Guys, Kimberly's ready to go to bed now. So guess what? I'm gone on my bed. I'm gonna catch you now in my next video. So bye. Bye for now.